In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a vendor in Zoho Books, whether you're cleaning up your records or simply removing vendors you no longer do business with. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy to manage your vendor list efficiently. Let's begin with navigating to the Vendors section. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account. Once you're at the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see different sections like Dashboard, Sales, and Reports. What you're looking for is the Purchases section. Go ahead and click on it, and then you should see an option labeled Vendors. This will lead you to a list of all the vendors you've entered into your Zoho Books platform. This page is your hub for managing vendor relationships and handling all vendor-related transactions, so it's an important area to become familiar with. Next, you need to select the vendor you wish to delete. Scroll through your list of vendors, or use the search bar to find the specific vendor's name. Once you find the vendor you intend to delete, click on their name. This will open up their detailed profile, providing you with a comprehensive view of all the transactions and information related to that vendor. It's a good opportunity to ensure that you're deleting the correct vendor, so take a moment to verify the details. With the vendor profile open, you're now ready to delete the vendor. In the top right corner of the vendor profile page, there's a drop-down menu labeled More. Click on this drop-down, and you'll see an option that says Delete. Selecting this will initiate the deletion process. Zoho Books will prompt you to confirm this action, as once you delete a vendor, this action cannot be undone, and all information associated with that vendor will be removed. Carefully read the confirmation message to make sure you're fully aware of what this entails. If you're certain about proceeding, confirm the deletion. And just like that, you've successfully removed a vendor from your Zoho Books account. Remember, this action is permanent, so double-check the vendor information before confirming any deletions. Keeping your vendor list up to date helps maintain a smooth and efficient accounting process. I hope you found this guide helpful. Managing your vendors in Zoho Books is straightforward once you know where to go and what to click. Don't forget to explore other features in Zoho Books to maximize the benefits it offers for your business management needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.